Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings pop? Imagine this. A potential buyer walks into a home that's dim and dreary. It's tough to see the beauty beneath the dust, right? Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, your secret weapon in transforming properties and boosting sales. We're a veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio, dedicated to making homes shine before showings. Whether it's a quick turnaround before an open house or a detailed deep clean, we've got you covered. Our professional cleaning services not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a home, but also create a welcoming atmosphere, helping buyers envision their future there. Here's a tidy tip for you. Before showings, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. This simple trick brightens the space and highlights the home's best features, making it feel more spacious and inviting. A well-lit home helps buyers feel more comfortable and connected, increasing the chances of a sale. With TidyTex by your side, you'll impress your clients and close deals faster than ever. Ready to elevate your listings and make a lasting impression? Check the video description for our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today and let's shine together. Your next successful sale is just a clean away.